A high-performing gas range offers quick and even results, is easy to operate, and comes with useful bonus features like air frying capabilities, or knobs that light up. While the price of a good range can vary anywhere from under $1,000 to more than $8,000, no matter what, it's an investment that requires some research before you purchase. There are so many factors to consider when deciding which model is right for your kitchen. Hello, guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to tell you about the top 5 best gas ranges of 2023. Before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Now let's get started. 1. LG Gas Range. This smart, feature-loaded gas range is an upgrade from our now discontinued previous winner, the LG LSG 4511 ST. Like its predecessor, this 30-inch LG range has a spacious probate convection oven, but with added features like air fry, air sous vide, and even an InstaView window that allows you to tap twice and see what's cooking inside without opening the door. This range has easy-to-use and see knobs and a digital display on a slanted panel. We also like LG's Smart Diagnosis feature that transmits data via your phone directly to LG Customer Information Center to troubleshoot without stress. Though, it did take a few tries to get connected to the app during testing. In our testing, we found that the balanced cooktop provided even heat distribution, boiled water quickly, and kept the water at a constant simmer. Throw in an 18,500 BTU power burner, self-clean options, and a reasonable price tag, and you've got yourself a great gas range for almost any kitchen. 2. Maytag Gas Range. It is the best value for what it offers, and you can get an even better price on it while it's on sale. This sleek fingerprint-resistant stainless steel range performed well in recent testing with its easy-to-read oven control panel and stovetop control knobs. The stovetop features 5 burners including an oval burner in the center, perfect for oversized Dutch ovens or stovetop griddles. 3. Whirlpool Freestanding Gas Range. The Whirlpool Freestanding Gas Range comes equipped with 5 sealed burners putting out 5,000 to 15,000 BTUs under its continuous cast iron grates. It excelled in our simmer testing, which means you can leave sauce warming on the stove as you continue cooking the rest of the meal without worrying if it will scorch. The burners also scored very well for even heat distribution, but with only one burner that reaches 15,000 BTUs, you might be stuck at the stove waiting for water to boil. Around the holidays, you'll be comfortable with the easy-to-navigate oven controls when getting ready for a day of baking. One tricky function was the broiler. It can be difficult to access since it's located at the bottom of the range in the drawer. This oven also lacks a convection mode. 4. Frigidaire Gas Range with air fry capabilities. One of the first models to introduce this feature. We found that the oven also boasts a speedy preheat, even broiling, and a useful delayed start option. We found that air frying does get a bit messy and smoky, but it crisped up chicken wings deliciously, and with for self-clean settings, cleanup isn't so terrible. This range's easy-to-read control panel and knobs take the guesswork out of cooking, but the cooktop and oven both performed only moderately well in our tests. It's still a solid choice, especially if you're an air frying fanatic. 5. Miele Freestanding Gas Range. In addition to having a super sleek design, this pro-style Miele range has oversized knobs and a large, easy-to-grip door pull that adds to its professional look. This was one of the few models we evaluated that excelled at broiling, rivaling an outdoor grill when it came to browning steaks. The burners are very powerful, ranging from 12,500 up to 19,500 BTUs, so you'll be able to quickly reach a boil in multiple pots at the same time. It's also outfitted with dishwasher-safe cast iron cooking grates, dual convection fans for fast baking, and a top-notch self-clean cycle. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.
Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we explore the latest appliance trends and technologies, providing expert opinions. Here, you'll get updated on the latest home appliance news and exclusive content. We also provide reliable service that uses the latest tools and technology to fix any appliance issues, ensuring flawless functionality. Also check out our website at www.ayappliancecompany.com for home appliance installation, repair, and home tech services. With just one click, you can book our services and have help on the way. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated on the latest in home appliances and technology.